Welcome back to Tech After Dark. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Legion 5 17-inch by Lenovo. So we'll just read off the specs right off the bat here. So it has an AMD R7 5800H, and that's 3.2 gigahertz. It has 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, 1 terabyte SSD, and that's an M.2. It has a 17.3-inch FHD IPS 144 Hz display and a RTX 3070 with a 6 gigabyte dedicated VRAM. And obviously this has Windows 10 Home, and it comes in Phantom Blue. So we'll just locate the, I guess you call it, sticker on the box so we can slice it open. This package has really been in the ringer, so it's a little damaged, but we'll try to open her up. So at the top, there's a sticker, so we'll just cut it up. Just like that. And we'll put the knife aside. And we'll just pop that. So this pops up actually. It actually slides out. Mystery whenever you're unboxing something. Cables. Put this off to the side. Wow, this is really well packaged actually. Okay, we'll throw the box. Some paperwork here, probably some warranty, a nice little Legion sticker, always nice to have. So we'll just open up the cables and just kind of show you that first. So we'll just open this up. Okay, this actually opens up. Wow, so this comes with a really meaty 300 watt power supply. The new M1 Pro and M1 Max MacBook Pros that just came out, they come with like a 67 watt, 96 watt, and 140 watt. So this is double the wattage here. And it's, to the side. This is actually double the wattage, and it's really thin and not too heavy. It's pretty nice. So this must be using something like crazy. They have new like gallium nitride chargers. This might be one of them. This is a really big amount of wattage, and it's pretty thin. I'm pretty impressed. And it has the regular 3-prong, so pretty standard cord, really big. And it has a nice little charger. I think it's probably proprietary because haven't seen that one before, but probably really long, like maybe a couple of meters or so. Maybe a meter, but that's your power brick. Really nice. Put that off to the side. So now, oh, and another little Legion sticker. So put that in there. So this is the Pride and Joy. So we'll just kind of take her out. Ooh, I can already kind of tell how thin it is. So we'll just just carefully pull apart. Oh, okay. I don't know what's, okay, this is actually upside down, I think. Yeah, it feels like it. Okay. Okay, so this is a nice little bag here just to protect it. And this is the reveal that you've all been waiting for. The Phantom Blue Legion 5 17-inch by Lenovo. So look at that. Man, it's really quite thin for a 300-watt gaming device. This has a really nice darker shaded blue. They call it Phantom for a reason, but the actual logo shines quite a bit iridescent, so it kind of almost looks a little rainbow with almost like a purple, green, yellow hue in it. So that's something really nice here. So we'll open her up, place her nice, just like that, and we'll see what's in store. Ooh, nice. Oh my God, look at that. Has a little bit of paper, more paperwork, but that protects the screen and the keyboard. Very nice. This is a really nice little laptop here. Not little in all regards, but surprisingly thin. So that's, okay, we'll talk about the design here. So it has a nice little front shutter camera, and that will actually protect your privacy. So there's built-in physical shutter, obviously. The display is on the two hinges on the side. Really nice, like it's a really nice display. Like you can one finger it. I'm pretty sure. Well, let's test it. Just about. Very well made design. And you can go all the way back. It's kind of not just flat, which you don't really find in much gaming laptops. They usually kind of cut right at the like 60-degree angle or 90-degree, but yeah, really nice. It has almost a nice, really high premium plastic that's on the deck, and it's a nice kind of matte, so you won't get too many fingerprints. There's a very nice shine of the blue, obviously. Lenovo on the side, which is new, and you have a nice kind of darker matte plastic back. And for the bottom, you actually get a really big, beefy fan intake here. So thermals are gonna be really great in this thing. And you have probably some speakers on the side, more thermals off the side. So this thing is really propped up pretty high. So you'll have a good typing experience and thermals. And yeah, this is obviously running Windows 10. Windows 11 isn't too baked yet, probably, but all the info, what you have on the other side. And you have a nice, almost looks like metal, but it's a nice like shiny plastic hinge, which is super awesome. And just with the port situation here, so ports are always super important, and obviously, you know, companies like Apple are finally putting ports back in. But so for this one, you get a full Ethernet jack, which is fantastic. You gotta love to see that. You have a USB power delivery Type-C cable. That's very nice to have. That's future-proofed, and you can really fast charge any devices. This isn't Thunderbolt or anything, but you can really start to do some nice things with that Type-C port. And you have 2 super speed USB, which is, I think it's 10 gigabyte a second on these things, 3.1. Really fast speeds on those. You have a full-size HDMI cable, and you have another USB on the side, which actually doubles. If you want to charge your phone when the laptop's off and just closed, up, you can actually start charging your phone, which is really nice to have. And obviously the power cable, you can connect right into there on the side. And it's nice that it's all in the back, so you can actually leave room for all of your kind of like mouse and everything in your desk, and it all kind of goes behind. So it's nice just to have it all not cluttered, because on the sides they kind of dedicate full heat pipes here. And obviously it still does have a couple ports on the side. So it actually has an SD card reader, which is, you know, very rare sometimes. Sometimes you don't get that. A full-size USB again, so that's a total of 4 USBs. And then on the other side, left side, we've got another Type-C connection, which is sweet. So it's 4 USB-A's, 2 Type-C's, 1 is power delivery, and you've got a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. And that's with the mic, so it's 3-pole. Very nice hinge. Has all the graphics here, really awesome. Some support, you can just kind of peel it off. And I'm gonna quickly just kind of test out the keyboard, just kind of see how that's looking here. So yeah, it's enough travel. You can really start to enjoy, because the keys are actually a little concave. So you can type a bit faster. They can feel really nice. And it does have a spring, so when you're clicking, you can only click on the bottom half of the trackpad, which is totally fine. You don't have to click anywhere like haptics some companies do, and you get a full-size number key row. So if you're doing anything to do with, you know, taxes or anything, you can start just kind of typing those in, and any calculations or anything. It's nice. And the keyboard deck, it's just so big. The laptop itself, that the keyboard deck kind of fits right in for a big keyboard. And it's really nice to even play games on, because you have the WASD. You can actually just start playing games and you won't be hitting the actual trackpad. So I think it's a really nice placement. And you have the full-size arrow keys, which are actually kind of go into the deck a bit. Up, down, left, right arrow keys, really nicely, well done. And you have all the little quick keys at the top. So go down to volume, disable your mic, brightness up and down, airplane mode. They've really used every button here. Even snipping tool has a button. Projection, you can switch your display, really nice. It's all like play plows up the top. You don't have to have extra keyboards for that. And escape key. And obviously you have the power button at the top. Really sleek little device. And we'll just quickly turn it on and just kind of see what it kind of gives us, and experience 144 Hertz. So let's just turn it around here. So let's turn it on. Ooh, backlit, which I forgot about. That's really nice. And that's actually an option that you have to check mark. Sometimes if you miss that, you won't get it backlit. Sometimes in some manufacturers, some brands. That's a pretty big screen. The trackpad feels really good and precise. I think this is Windows trackpad, precision drivers. So everything feels great. Right away, I actually see 144 Hertz. It's kind of nuts. It's really smooth. It's just like, I'm just scrolling at this point and I can already kind of see it.
I think I found the way through! Oh, this...
Reloading!
If this is a game, get back to the team.
Friendly fire!
Sorry there.
Flashlights on. Get in. Nicely done.